Your cat is staring at you right now, maybe from across the room, maybe from the end of the bed. And then it blinks. Slowly, deliberately, like it's trying to tell you something. The real reason why is far stranger than you think. You probably see your cat as a companion, something soft that knocks things off shelves and judges you silently. But your cat does not see itself that way. Your cat is a predator, one of the most efficient hunters nature ever designed. And for a predator, eye contact is not casual. Eye contact is a threat. In the wild, a direct, unblinking stare means one thing. I am calculating you. I have not decided yet whether you are prey or rival. It is the visual equivalent of a held breath before something violent happens. This is the default language of the cat. Silence, stillness, the unblinking watch. So when your cat holds your gaze and then slowly closes its eyes, it is doing something extraordinary. It is choosing vulnerability. It is choosing to go briefly blind in front of you. And in the language of a predator, that means only one thing. You are safe. You are trusted. Researchers at the University of Sussex tested this in 2020. Psychologist Karen McComb and her team ran experiments with pet cats and their owners. When a human narrowed their eyes and performed a slow blink, the cat was significantly more likely to slow blink back. The cats were not just reacting. They were responding. They were having a conversation. McComb described the slow blink as a positive emotional signal, a sign that the interaction was safe. But what makes this so remarkable is not just what it reveals about cats. It is what it reveals about how two very different species learned to speak the same language. Your cat did not descend from a long line of domesticated animals. Dogs were reshaped deliberately by humans over thousands of years. Cats did something different. They chose this. Around 10,000 years ago, when early humans in the Fertile Crescent began storing grain, the grain attracted rodents. The rodents attracted wildcats. And the wildcats discovered that humans were useful. No one domesticated the cat. The cat domesticated itself. It moved closer. It tolerated human presence. It learned, over generations, which signals made humans calm. The slow blink may be one of the gestures that survived that ancient negotiation, a signal that said, I am not hunting you. I am choosing to stay near you. Biologist John Bradshaw, who spent decades studying the domestic cat, argues that your house cat is not truly domesticated in the way we usually mean. It is a wild animal that has learned to live alongside a specific kind of ape. Your cat is not tame. It is tolerant. And the slow blink sits right at the edge of that tolerance. Your cat deciding, moment by moment, that you are worth staying near. Here is what makes it stranger. The slow blink is not just acknowledgement. It is an invitation. McComb's study found that cats were more likely to approach a person after that person slow blinked at them. Your cat has learned, not through training, but through 10,000 years of coexistence, that the softening of your eyes means something. Come closer. You are not alone in this room. Think about what that requires. Your cat has mapped your face. It has learned the difference between a tired blink and an aggressive stare. It has done this not because it was rewarded for it. It has done this because surviving alongside humans meant learning to read the ape in the room. Animal behaviorist Mikel Delgado at the University of California has studied feline cognition for years. She points out that cats are constantly misread as aloof because their emotional signals are subtle. They do not wag their tails. They do not leap across the room. Their communication is restrained, precise. A flick of the ear, the curve of a tail, a slow blink. If you miss these signals, you think the cat does not care. But the signals are there. You are just not fluent yet. Your cat is watching you constantly. It notes your patterns. It anticipates your schedule. Research from animal cognition scientist Adam Miklosi found that cats, like dogs, look to their owners for information about how to respond to new situations. They monitor your emotional state. They use you as a reference point for safety. The slow blink is just the most visible piece of a much larger system your cat runs on you every single day. So the next time your cat looks at you from across the room and slowly closes its eyes, blink back. Narrow your eyes gently, because what you are doing is not reacting to a cute habit. You are participating in a 10,000-year-old conversation between two very different minds that somehow decided the other one was worth knowing. Your cat blinked at you, and now you know exactly what it meant.